Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this VW Amarok. So from any screen, if you click the nav here, if it goes onto map there, if you see the map screen, you can just click that again, and then you've got this screen here where destination memory, last destinations, petrol station, car park, points of interest, and we go back there to address. Click the button in the centre. You've got town in United Kingdom, postcode in United Kingdom. So there you go. Actually, it's also a touch screen, but I prefer to use the knob in the centre because my blooming sausage fingers never seem to work on these screens. So we're on postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, P R. Now it's gone up to numbers here, so that's great. 5, 4, and then gone back to letters J, S. So that's it. You've got start here. So there you go. Click there. Okay.
The route is being calculated. Keep straight on this road for 3 miles.
That's it. That's one of the quickest and easiest sat navs to use. To be fair, let's just see if we press that again, nav, and then you can stop also. That's another good thing. Touchscreen, you just stop the instructions when you get near enough to home that you don't need them anymore. Just knock it off rather than keep listening to them.